Samantala, sabi naman ni Bellissima, Belle's kindness is so loud. Even blind items can't make a noise. Hindi daw kayang tibagin ng mystery write-up ang pagiging isang mabuting tao ng isang Belle Mariano daw, mga kaibigan. Nako naman. Sabi pa dito, meron daw rason bakit mahal na mahal nila ang isang Belle Mariano, mga kaibigan. And that is because she is very kind. And sabi dito, I think this is the best way for me to be an ate to all the kids and hopefully inspire them to dream big. Ito ay pagkatapos umattend ng isang event ni Belle, no, saan siya isa sa ambassadress, mga kaibigan. Let's hear it from Belle Mariano.
Personally growing, I just met with some of the sponsor kids actually. Sobrang nakakatuwa. We have plans in the future. We actually plan dates na, movie dates. So, ang dami namin gagawin, lots of activities, Christmas parties, so we'll see.
Okay, how did this partnership start?
I've always wanted to advocate something that's really close to my heart. And me personally, growing up with 4 younger siblings, I think this is the best way for me to be an ate to all the kids and hopefully inspire them to dream big.
Why did you say yes for this collab with World Vision?
Because World Vision is an organization that we both have the same beliefs. We have the same principles, and I like that they put so much love and care for young girls, for women, and for kids. Yeah, I just met with...
Yes, mga kaibigan, these reasons daw ang talagang sabi nila ang hindi makakapagpatibag ng kanilang pagmamahal sa isang Belle Mariano kahit gaano kadami pa yan mga blind item na lumalabas at syempre hindi daw yun makakapagbago ng pagmamahal nila kay Belle Mariano at ang paniniwala nilang she is kind, mga kaibigan. Alexander Lexter Jules. Magandang morning, everybody.